High Point predominantly is an aluminium access company using BoSS products which are hired and assembled for various contractors. High Point is different where we offer a complete package of access equipment. As I said earlier, predominantly aluminium towers, the BoSS range, then through to access platforms and through to conventional steel scaffolding and system scaffolding. Main clients range from solar panel companies, local authorities, housing associations and the DIY builder who's doing repairs on his house. Becoming a member of the BoSS task force has been immense to High Point and has increased revenues due to the backup that we receive from the sales department, the administration department, and it has given us a better product, I feel, to expand High Point access. We regularly use on site the Climber aluminium tower system and the Camlock advanced guardrail system. I find this is the best, the safest, and it is a very good product. We also use the cantilevers, the bridging beams and various other additional components for specialist structures. The technical resources and backup by being a member of BoSS Task Force are immense. Whatever we build, we must have specific manufacturer's design drawings, which we have a batch of those drawings. There are more to come through as BoSS Task Force develops, but it is invaluable that we have these products to give us the resources to do what we do. Main challenges before BoSS was to comply with regulations. Some equipment in the UK market, there is not much now, doesn't comply to European standards. BoSS is fully compliant in every respect, and we have no problems with the drawings and with the products to be able to comply. BoSS towers have improved the company efficiency immensely. The Camlock advanced guardrail system, it is much faster to build a tower and safer, and safety being the paramount point. We used to have a budget of over £10,000 a year on repairs. That budget now is virtually non-existent due to the quality of the equipment through the robotic welding facilities at Malden. What I like most about the BoSS product range is there seems to be a product for virtually every application, whether it be on the towers or the additional components that make the towers into facade runs with cantilevers. It is a very good system. I would recommend BoSS towers, and one customer alone in the past 3 months we have sold them over 60 6-metre mobile towers. Shea Greener are a solar panel company based in the north of England and depots in Worcester and in Birmingham. They install approximately in the region of 400 properties per week with solar panels on the roof. We help a Shea Greener predominantly in the past. They have always used conventional steel tube scaffolding for the installation of the panels. In the past 12 to 18 months, they are now somewhere in the region of 60 to 70% is aluminium instead of steel tube and fitting, which gives them a cost saving and a customer care saving due to using the BoSS tower system. The products we use on a Shea Greener are the full range of the BoSS Climber products, mainly AGR, but we also use the Brace 3T system as well, and all the associated products of cantilevers and various other specialist components. This has benefited a Shea Greener in cost reductions, time, and also the size of the vehicles that we use. Predominantly on tube and fitting, it is a 7.5 ton lorry, which is tachographed, and the fuel that they use compared to, we run a fleet of Mercedes and Transits, 3.5 ton, which is environmentally is a lot friendlier for the United Kingdom. A Shea Greener have benefited by the use of the BoSS aluminium tower system for the installation of solar panels, by the speed of the assembly of the product, the cleanliness of the product. We are competing against conventional steel scaffolding and tube, and the aluminium BoSS system is much better for this application. They have noticed a big difference due to cost savings, not only financial, but in terms of assembling the towers on the same day as the installation of the solar panels. So the product is there, assembled in the morning, solar panels fitted and dismantled in the afternoon. We are asked by specific clients for an AGR system, and as I said earlier, the BoSS cam-lock system is a very, very good system. The operatives that actually assemble the towers prefer the cam-lock system. Currently, I have been the chairman of PASMA for 2 years. I currently sit on executive committee of PASMA and on the main council, and I also sit on the High Assembly Committee of PASMA. PASMA, as people will probably know, is the lead governing body of the trade association, which helps anybody in the aluminium tower industry to assemble the product safely in accordance with PASMA guidelines and manufacturer's instructions. Through PASMA High Assembly membership, various companies throughout the United Kingdom and Ireland are represented on this committee. We, as an organisation within PASMA, we request from various manufacturers products that can assist us in our business. We then go to the manufacturers, if they can produce the products, will produce the products and the technical guidance and the assembly guides to go with that. So yes, the High Assembly works well within the aluminium industry.